Robert Wilkins from the Car Alarm Shop. Now we're going to the final phase of testing every component that we have installed for Expert Village. So the windows are going up and down, both sides. Turn signals are working. Windshield wipers is working. And air conditioner and blower. And radio. Horn. Reflex. Now we're going to go into the testing of the vehicle security system. Right here I have the remote which operates the alarm. Shut the door. We're going to make sure that once we arm the alarm, the windows go up. It locked the doors and the windows are going up. We're going to test to make sure that the vehicle will trigger when the vehicle is tampered with. This particular car, we installed a glass sensor. Now we're going to make sure that the alarm sounds when we open the door, and we're going to test the starter kill. The vehicle should not start. Once you disarm the alarm, once the alarm is disarmed, you're allowed to start the vehicle. This concludes our demonstration on basic automotive wiring for Expert Village.